I'm here with the BT3401. I have my smartphone. I have a charging area. I have the case and I'm placing on top and it will charge the phone. And I am going to show you a video.
Man, it takes me forever to get where I need to go. What a windy day. Extremely cold.
And in order to hook up this thing, just go into your Bluetooth setting and hit the BT3401. You have a short button press. You could change all the different colors as you can see. I'll go through each of the cycles for you. You have solid blue, green, and so forth. And then you go back to the white color and off. Now you have a mode button that goes into the FM, Bluetooth, and white noise. Just long press it. And then continue to press it for AM, FM, and your Bluetooth. Now the thing is, all these sounds here are your alarm clocks. And you have two alarm clocks over here. You simply hit this button, you can set the alarm up. I'll get my hands out of the way. You have many alarms. And then you can set it up over here as well. You have a volume up and down, and so forth. We have a timer, 15, 30, and an hour. So you could listen to your music and shut off with the time. Now, it comes with in the back an auxiliary 3.5 cable. It has a USB port, and it has USB-C port for charging and a TF adapter there. And this is where your speaker's at. And you have legs with little rubber feet. And you have a nice large white display. And if you're ready to just shut it all off, it says goodbye to you in a tune. And when you turn it on, it will say hello to you in that tune, and a light will turn on and tell you the Bluetooth is connected. I hope you enjoy your light. If you don't have your charging cable and you want to put this anywhere and be portable, long press the button and you can set up and be battery operated. This unit has a lot of features and functions that may help you make a decision if this product is right for you. Check online for further detail about your product. If you enjoy using your clock station in the kids' room, bedroom, wherever you want a clock that can charge, play Bluetooth music, listen to FM stations, or white noise. Enjoy your product.